Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this recycled jar. It used to have jam or jelly in it or something. I washed it all out. And I'm going to take this rub-on transfer from Timeless Designs of a Snowflake. I'm going to add that right to the front of the jar on one side. I'm just kind of getting the position. I'm going to use the applicator, rub that rub-on transfer on there, and then peel it back. I was just making sure it's really stuck well. Kind of peel slow and rub if you need to. And there it is. I love the snowflake. Next, I'm going to take a pouncer and some white paint, and I'm just going to pounce the entire jar with white paint, and I'm going around, kind of in a circle around the snowflake. I don't want to get it on the snowflake, so I'm just avoiding it and kind of going slow around the areas around it, and then I'm just going to pounce the whole entire jar. Once I have the white on there, I'm going to take and add some blue. I didn't change the pouncer. It still has the white on it. I'm just going to add a little bit of blue, and then I kept going back and forth between the blue and the white to get the shade that I was looking for. Once it was all dry, I'm going to take some glitter paint, and I got this one actually at Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to go around the area where the snowflake is with the glitter paint. And then I'm going to let that dry. Once that's dry, I'm going to take some baker's twine. This was silver and white baker's twine. I'm going to put a little bit of glue around the top of the jar where the lid was. And I'm just going to keep wrapping around till I get the whole thing covered. I didn't do a ton, so it's not like super thick, but just to kind of cover up a little bit of the grooves from where the cover goes on. Once I had it where I wanted it, I'm just going to glue it into place. Next, I'm going to take some of those fairy lights, the battery-powered one, and I'm just going to push those right inside and let this thing light up. You could put a battery-operated candle in there if you wanted, whatever you'd like. Then finally, I took a button that was a snowflake, and I'm going to glue that right to the front. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute and was super easy. And you can keep it out all winter long. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.